In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Apple ID password when downloading apps. So grab your iPhone and let's start right from the home screen. Go ahead and open up the Settings app. Just tap on that grey gear icon. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a little bit until you see the option that says Face ID and Passcode, then tap on it. Your phone will ask for your passcode, so just type that in to get access. Now that you're inside the Face ID and passcode settings, look for the section that mentions iTunes and App Store. You'll see a toggle next to it, and what you want to do here is turn that option off. Once you switch that off, your phone won't require Face ID or your passcode every time you download an app. After that, go ahead and tap back to return to the main settings page. This time, scroll all the way up to the top and tap on your profile, the area with your name and Apple ID. When that opens, look for the option called Media and Purchases and tap on it. A small menu will pop up, and from there tap on Password Settings. Now you'll be on the screen that controls how passwords work for the App Store. What you want to check here is the option that says Require Password. Make sure that this is turned off. Once that setting is off, your iPhone will stop asking for your Apple ID password whenever you download free apps or updates. At this point, everything is set and you can go ahead and close settings and try downloading an app to see the change in action.